Hey everyone, time for a big dirty pour. Canvas is 12 by 24. Colors I'm using are white, crimson from Soho, copper, Artist Loft yellow ochre, Deco Art splendid gold, Van Dyke brown, which is Creative Inspirations, and Dollar and Rami phthalo turquoise, and probably some black. I don't want a lot of white in this one, but I do have to break up some colors, especially when I'm using the turquoise. So I don't want any purple, so I need to keep it away from the red. So I'll probably pour in this order. Yeah, and I'll shove a little bit here and there. I do have more copper if I need it. And yeah, I don't want to put any other colors in there. These are kind of the colors that are in my living room. So I wanted to try throwing that turquoise in there, because I do have this color in my living room with my beige furniture and burgundy, and it kind of looks cool. So let's give it a shot. 4 cups we're going to use. I'm going to push that canvas back a little bit farther. You can watch me pour. So I'm going to start with white. Let's start with black. Oops, I gotta grab it. I left it over there. Actually, let me use this black. I don't have to go get it. I'm not sure if there's silicone in here. Oh boy. I have another one. Yeah, this one's got silicone. My goodness. Okay. Okay. So we're going to follow that with the crimson red. And I will be using this again. I love this color. And copper, which is glued shut. I want to use up some paints today, and I'm not getting very far down on the pile. I get so many because I do negative space paintings, and I mix up a whole cup of paint, so then I get to do these dirty pours, which are fun. This is where I'm going to put a little white, because I don't want to put that ochre on top of that copper. It'll blend in a little bit. Okay. We're going to go another round yet, I think. So I probably should keep these in order here. Now we'll add some gold. Every time I look at this phthalo turquoise, I'm cringing, thinking, oh, do I really want to put that in there? But I do. I want to try. Brown does not want to sit on top of that gold. So don't then, right? I have more brown if I need it to. Okay. Yeah, we can put that on top of that. Won't hurt it any. I'm so afraid it's going to hit that gold and make it green. But if it does, right? And I want to be heavy-handed with that because it's an accent color. Okay, now to break it all up, we need to start a little black again. And I grabbed the wrong one, didn't I? That's okay. I'll just touch it. And these cups do not have to be full for this canvas. I just wanted more control with 4 cups. And we'll hit it with the red. When we get done with this, I'll see if I can pull that Arteza painting, that bright, beautiful painting that I did. Oh, she's beautiful. And give you a quick peek. Okay, killed that copper. It's the same stuff, just in a different container. Okay, a little bit of white. I'm not going heavy on the white because the last painting I did with these colors, the white was a big gob in the middle. Okay, and our gold. And some brown. Let's use this one up. 2 containers down. I got about 32 more to go. I always have paint mixed, except for black and white. That's usually the ones I have to make. Because you can't use the background white, it's too thin. I know you're thinking, oh, this is going to be dark, and it probably will be a little bit. Okay, some blue. And then I'm going to hit the black on top, so. I like this southwesterny vibe I'm getting from some of my paintings. Like you could hang them in a Mexican restaurant. That look, I just think it's cool. I love going out to eat in Mexican restaurants. I love the colors. So that's why I probably fall to these. I was going to use yellow instead of the ochre, but I love the goldness of the ochre. I'm going to save that cup because I have some black I can pour in there. All right. All right, my friends. It's do or die time. Pollen is high today. Oh my goodness. Tree pollen is almost at the end of the arrows there. So I'm suffering a little bit today. Okay. So I'm not going to stir them. I want them to flow out the way that we put them in the cup. So I'm going to go ahead and start up here. Oh, lots of black. The colors will come up through. So see? There's that pretty. Oh, we have some purple in there. Told ya. Purple with a little orangey tinge there. That's a cool vibe right there. Ooh, that looks like we have coral. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow night because Walking Dead's all over. I have to find a new show to watch. Maybe I'll just come out and paint. Okay, I'm going to save that little bit in the cup in case I need to add somewhere else. I've got a lot of paint here that I'm going to move towards this way. There's the white. And there's a little white there. So we're just going to jiggle it a little bit here. Try to get these to touch. You guys know how I love to play with different colors, so I either love it or I hate it, so there's no, well, I don't know. Okay, so I have my paint in the middle, so I'm just going to bring it off the edge here without pulling too much. And come across to the other side because I don't like when I get the pull lines like that. So I'll get this side done and hopefully not mess with too much cell action there. And bring it down. That's why I leave a little paint in the cup, because sometimes you might have to hit your corner. So I don't have to move it around too much. Okay. That is gorgeous. I love that phthalo turquoise in there. But I have to be careful because I don't want to move it too much or I'm going to get mud. I have some really cool runoff too. Just checking my edges. Covered there. And there. Just one little spot there. Alright, let's torch it and see what happens. We got a lot coming up here. I'd like to see a little bit come up here. I got very dirty hands. When you guys are torching, don't stand over your painting, please. There's no carcinogenic ingredients in the Floetrol, but you never know with the fumes, what it can do to your respiratory tract. If you're not filming like I am, I would maybe invest in a respirator. Keep yourself safe. I find myself blowing out a lot when I'm doing this, so I'm not inhaling it. I think that's all the cell action I'm going to get for now. But I'll tell you what, this is going to look totally different in an hour. Once that black sinks a little, and that is very pretty. Love that turquoise in there. That kind of is a but there's stuff trying to come up through it. I'm not saying that it will, and that might be that when I grab that black here, that might be it because there's no silicone in it. But hard to say. So let me give you a little peek. Love the colors. Love the colors, especially right here. I have special areas of paintings that just make my heart sing. So that's it, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the bell to be notified for my next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. Check out my Etsy shop and my Amazon shop. Links are below. And that's going to be it for tonight, guys. Hope you all had a great weekend, because it's going to be after the weekend before you see it. And I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye now.